Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. Today we will be revealing the teaser of Godrej Properties' biggest plotted township, new launch Godrej Panipat Estate located bang on GT Karnal Road, NH1 Expressway near Eldigo Paradiso, Sector 40, Panipat. In this video, we will be discussing about points like project overview, location, amenities, plot sizes, booking process, launch discount offers, and many more. But first, let me tell you what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects developers directly to the home buyers, thereby giving you a bottom rate price. Unlike other current listing platforms where if you do an inquiry, your number is shared with different brokers, resulting in a lot of phone calls. But Housey is one such real estate platform where listing is done directly by the developer. So book your dream home today with your favorite developer through Housey. Talking about the project overview, Godrej Panipat Estate will be constructed on 43 acres of land parcel that will have multiple sizes of 650 plots, approx with all the uber luxury, 70 plus amenities and excellent connectivity. Talking about the location and connectivity, project is located in Panipat, Sector 40, Panipat, bang on GT Karnal Road, NH1 Expressway, upcoming nearest rapid rail metro station 5 minutes drive, Panipat Toll Plaza 6 minutes drive, Tau Devi Lal Park 8 minutes, Civil Hospital is only 10 minutes drive from the project. And now talking about the amenities, project has ultra luxurious amenities like clubhouse, swimming pool, gym, forest cafe, garden, kids play area and many more amenities within the project. And now talking about the plot sizes, project has multiple sizes of plots available. One is 120 square yards, second is 140 square yards and third is 180 square yards. And some of the major USP of the project is that here you will get plot on your name, means the ownership of the land will be transferred to you, unlike other plotted projects where they usually don't do it. Also, there is no time foundation on construction, means you will have complete freedom whether you want to construct the house in 1 year, 2 years or 5 years. Also, here you can construct stilt plus 4 floors. And the best part is that you have Godrej Brand Trust, so you can be rest assured that your plot is safe in terms of legal assurance and there will be no encroachments etc. as the whole township will be managed by Godrej Living itself. Now let's talk about the booking process. The booking windows for this project is now open. Clients can inquire about the township. The sales team will give you project actual location, explain complete project details. They will share the pricing and payment plans. And then if you like the project, you can pre-book by paying a token amount of 10 lakhs. This token will have multiple benefits like exclusive launch discounts, preference in inventory selection. Token holders will be called first to choose their respective plot and 100% refundable, which means after giving the token, if the client doesn't want to move ahead for any reason, this token will be 100% refundable without any deduction. So everyone, this was the teaser of Godrej Properties' biggest plotted township, new launch Godrej Panipat Estate located bang on GT Karnal Road, NH1 Expressway near Eldigo Paradiso, Sector 40, Panipat.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.